Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to instantly convert Spaylatar to Gcash. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're trying to instantly convert your Spaylatar balance to Gcash, the key thing to understand is that Spaylatar cannot directly cash out or transfer funds, so you'll need a workaround. So in order to convert Spaylatar to Gcash, you have to follow these steps. The most reliable method is to purchase a Gcash e-wallet top-up, load, or digital goods on Shopee using Spaylatar, which you then redeem inside your Gcash wallet. To do this, open your Shopee application and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page of Shopee app. Once on the home page, go to the search bar at the top. Type Gcash load or Gcash top up and you'll see a list of sellers offering Gcash loading services. Make sure you take your time and check the ratings. Always choose a seller with high ratings, good reviews, and plenty of successful transactions because this will reduce the risk of delays or issues. For example, here's one with a strong rating, so let's tap on it. After opening the listings, you'll see different denominations. Once you choose the amount you want, proceed to checkout. At this point, make sure you enter the correct Gcash mobile number because the seller will send your load directly to that number and wrong inputs cannot be reversed. After confirming everything, proceed to payment and choose Spaylatar as your payment method. Once your payment is confirmed by Shopee, the seller typically sends the Gcash amount almost instantly, most of the time within a few minutes. Just keep in mind that this method usually includes a service fee, such as 50 pesos for every 1000 pesos load, depending on the seller. This fee is normal since the seller is acting as the middleman for converting Spaylatar into usable Gcash. For users who prefer another method, you can also buy mobile load on Shopee using Spaylatar, then use Gcash load to cash promos where certain networks allow converting load to wallet balance. However, this is not always available and usually has fees, so the ePayment method is faster and more consistent. And that's it. So that's basically how you can instantly convert Spaylatar to Gcash. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.